on Star Trek, work with Spock and Bones, war from planet to planet, hang in the neutral zone, seek out strange and new worlds, through the heavens we'll soar. We're gonna boldly go where no man has gone before. Enterprise is her name, space sailing's her game, pioneers of space exploration. The prime directive is our objective, soldiers of the Federation. I wanna be on Star Trek, work with Spock and Bones, walk from planet to planet, hang in the neutral zone. We'll try some Vulcan logic, go from land to land, maybe make some progress with those Klingons and Romulans. Let's not quibble about tribbles to pile upon far. Resistance is futile, claim the Borg from afar. Mr. Sulu, Mr. Chekhov, laying a course. We're gonna solve this problem, no need for the Force. Voyager, Generations, Enterprise, original Star Trek or Deep Space Nine, Janeway, Kirk, Archer, Picard, hell, me a ship in 7 and 9, oh my!
Got it, beam me up.
Illogical. And warp speed in 3 minutes or we're all dead.
I'm a doctor, not a mechanic.
Standard orbit with pressure.
Fascinating. He's dead, Chap. Energized.
Oh my.
I wanna be on Star Trek, hang with Spock and Bones, warp from planet to planet, hang in the neutral zone. We'll try some Vulcan logic, go from land to land, maybe make some progress with those Klingons and Romulans. I wanna be on Star Trek, hang with Spock and Bones, war from planet to planet, hang in the neutral zone. We'll seek out strange and new worlds, through the heavens we'll soar. We're gonna boldly go